Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Nih Biosafety advisors call for tighter oversight of pathogen research. The new report by two biosafety working groups reflects their preliminary recommendations, published last fall, that the definition of elevated potential pandemic pathogens should include not only the most deadly viruses and bacteria, but also less deadly pathogens that are extremely transmissible, are a description that fits the coronavirus SARS CoV-2. The NIH said the review was not a response to concerns that SARS CoV-2 may have emerged from laboratory research. The debate over laboratory safety and security has been heated during the pandemic, intensified, but dates back more than a decade, when experiments in the United States and the Netherlands produced versions of the influenza virus that were more easily transmitted among ferrets. The new report does not address the origins of SARS CoV-2 and is instead part of the decades-long effort to discover what types of PR processes and oversight help ensure laboratory research is safe. It notes that biotechnology is advancing rapidly, converging with breakthroughs in engineering and computing to create potential solutions to some of the most complex challenges we face as a society. He said the draft report addresses some key issues while leaving others unresolved. One of the fundamental problems, he said, is the lack of clarity about acceptable experimental risks. The new guidelines are unusually demanding on the imagination, trying to guess which microbes and which modifications are likely to lead to a pandemic, Newman said in an email. It is important to remember that pandemics are rare events, no matter how prominent they may be in our minds. Predicting a pandemic is like presenting a series of haystacks and asking someone to guess which one, if any, might contain a needle. David Relman, a professor of microbiology and immunology at Stanford Medicine, said accepting the report's recommendations would strengthen the oversight of risk research. But he said the report doesn't address information threats, the dissemination of details about risky research to people who have lab knowledge, but may be reckless or have malicious intent. The board seems to have started this issue, Relman said in an email. Vaccines. The CDC recommends that everyone ages 5 and older receive an updated COVID booster shot. New federal data shows adults who received the updated vaccinations reduced their risk of being hospitalized with COVID-19 by 50%. Here's guidance on when to get the Omicron booster and how your previous infections could affect the vaccine's effectiveness. If you fall ill with COVID, find out here how you can tell when you are no longer contagious. We've also created a guide to help you decide when to continue wearing face coverings.